growing your business keeps getting harder. Attracting and retaining customers gets more difficult each day, and battling against a never-ending list of competitors is exhausting. The key to tackling these business challenges is to invest in your customer experience. 73% of U.S. consumers say that experience is one of the most important factors in their purchasing decisions. Yet only 49% say companies provide a good customer experience. Avtex understands customer experience and is ready to help. Avtex offers a simple workshop aimed at transforming your business. During an Avtex Envisioning workshop, you'll collaborate with customer experience experts to evaluate where your biggest customer experience challenges and opportunities exist, determine how and where you can improve experiences for your customers, and build an actionable plan for driving customers' experiences and growth for your business. It's been proven that customers are more likely to try additional services or products from brands that provide a superior customer experience. Let Avtex help you develop and implement a customer experience strategy that will help you propel your business, build loyalty, and tower over your competition. Learn more today.